I'm so excited, and I'm gonna get balayage. Oh, that's so cute.
What do you guys think?
Jared! I'm like literally blonde, which is weird, but...
Concert, which is Jingle Ball.
Everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
It's Sunday night. It's currently 10:16. Right now, I'm like curling my hair a little bit, so that way tomorrow when I wake up, it's wavy and I don't even have to brush it. Time is up, I'll tell you why. My hair literally is straight. Oh, good morning, by the way. I'm pretty much ready to go. This is my outfit. I'm wearing this sweater from Shein, which you've already seen in the Black Friday video, hopefully. And then I'm wearing these jeans, and they're from American Eagle. I'm picking up my neighbor, and then since it's a really tough Monday morning, we're gonna treat ourselves to some Dunkin'. I don't know if Hunter's gonna get anything, but I'm gonna get myself a nice coffee. Oh my God, Hunter, we're gonna be late. We're not gonna be able to go to Dunkin'. Freaking finally. Oh my God, he's turning around. This bitch, oh my God.
2 hours later.
I'm so excited. I have an appointment at the post office to get my like passport picture, I think. I'm going on a school trip later in the year, and so I have to have my passport because last time I got it I was under 16, so I think you have to have one for when you're over 16. Either way, mine's gonna expire, so gotta go do that. Wow, I really have a lot of fun colors on today. I feel like this isn't like me. I mean, maybe, I don't really know.
We're just strangers in passing, casually.
I'm gonna drive now, so I'm gonna turn this off. So I'm at the post office now. My mom's not here yet, so I'm just chilling. I'm also so desperate for chapstick right now. And I forgot all of my chapstick, but my mom's bringing it for me, and she's also bringing me gel pens because I have study hall today and I have so many tests this week, so I'm gonna make it more fun and use my gel pens to like make flashcards and study guides and stuff, so. I know this song, I like it. I don't know the words.
Cause if you think I was born yesterday, you have got me wrong. So I cut you off.
I don't need your love.
You say I'm sorry, but it's too late now.
Okay, I'm back. Ooh, my passport picture like wasn't great because she said like I could smile in the picture, but just make sure my eyes weren't squinting, and like when I smile my eyes look like they're almost completely shut. So I was like, not that exaggerated, but it was bad. Oh, and she got me coffee. So thank you, Mom, if you're seeing this, for bringing me all this stuff. Oh my God, my mom just went on a yellow light, like hardcore really late. She's looking at me.
All they take is one flag. I know that it sounds crazy.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye. I almost forgot my camera. I'm going to get my hair done. I'm still on my driveway, don't worry. I'm gonna turn this off before I get to the road. But I'm on my way to like a hair cuttery or just like a normal hair salon. And then after that, I'm going to Ulta to get my hair colored, and I'm gonna get balayage. Just got a little trim at Great Clips. Now I'm gonna head over to Ulta and I'm gonna get my hair done there. I'm super excited. While I think she was blow drying my hair, but this is the final product. This lighting isn't very good. I don't know if that's better, but I don't know. I think it looks so good. If you're one of my friends watching this video and you want to get your hair done, like dyed, highlighted, whatever, hit me up and I will refer you and you can get $15 off. I think I was there for over 3 hours, so it did take a while, but I think it was worth it. And yeah, I have a lot of homework, but whatever. It's Monday and I haven't gotten my Glossier package, so I'm kind of mad. This won't focus and my camera's gonna die, so peace. Happy Tuesday. I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing. Got out of school a little bit ago and I got a text that my Glossier package came and it's not in my mailbox. So that means that it's either in my house because someone in my family already got it, it's on my front porch, or by my garage. God, this was super exciting. Oh, that's so cute. I kind of wish I ordered more from Glossier. Now that I'm seeing this, I really want to try their face wash, moisturizer. I want to try their highlighter sticks and their concealer, but I'm gonna start with the bomb.coms and I'm really freaking excited. Skin first, makeup second. Smile always. Wow. Oh my god, look at this sparkly sticker it comes with too.
Great.
So I got the birthdaybalm.com and I got the coconutbalm.com. Oh my gosh. Emily has the coconutbalm.com and that's the one that I already tried. Okay, I've been taking a little break from my homework. I went in my basement to try and find a box to put these two things in that I'm sending back to Shein, and I found this, which is a really small box. So we're gonna see if I can make it fit. Now that I'm looking at it, I highly doubt I'm gonna be able to. Also, my room is so ratchet. Like literally, what is that? I'll tell you what it is. It's a stocking, a $3 stocking from Target, hanging on a nail that was left in my wall from a shelf. So you think I can send it back like that? I can't find my mom to help me get another box, so I'm just gonna go back to doing my homework and figure out shipping that back later. It is concert day. My hair looks more blonde today. She said every time I shower, toner, I guess it's gonna wash out more and my highlights are gonna pull through or show through more. So I'm like literally blonde, which is weird, but freaking word. I lost $50 in taxes. That sucks. Oh my god, I hate taxes.
Look at that. Okay, let's give me this vlog.
Not allowed to vlog and drive.
Hey guys, Lizzie's not vlogging and driving, it's just me. This is my first vlog. First time on Lizzie's channel because she never puts me on there. Just kidding, that's a joke. Yeah, so we're just about to go to Promenade. Lizzie's gotta get a pair of jeans. I gotta get a flannel for tonight's concert, which is Jingle Ball.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlogs.
Is there half boyfriend jeans here?
It's like this is what it feels like to be on like do something for the. You know what? I quit.
Oh look, a zero. Oh wait, are these? Oh freak yes.
And they're on clearance.
Oh my god.
They're so cute. Oh,
wait, why does it look like a zero would fit me?
These are very cute.
Okay.
Man, the myth, the legend.
This is 40% off. Put your thoughts in the comments. I'm probably gonna buy this. Ooh, 8. Ooh, ah. Ooh. Foliage. Ooh, 8.
Thumbnail. So Lizzie fired me. So now I said, with the money that I got paid from being her, I'm gonna go buy myself a 5 Guys burger.
On vlog? Rolling?
Yeah, we're still rolling.
On her, and then she was like, I quit, and then she said I fired her.
Alright, we're gonna go look at the athletic leggings, because that's what I came here for. No one cares what my opinion is, because obviously, no one cares if I'm living or dead. All they want me to do is vlog their life, and I can't keep up with them.
Should I go for the extra large? Here, give me.
So these are good. They're kind of workable, so I think that's a good thing.
That is a good quality you need. Yep.
I don't even work for you anymore. I quit.
I bet you a 5 Guys Booger would fix that up.
I quit. Oh my. I got hot. Jared!
What?
The door.
It wasn't me!
Okay, I'm taking this back. I picked these jeans. They have like the dark thing on the side. Ooh, fuzzy socks. Ew.
Your phrases, it seems are just a fucking break. Wish I could say so. Stop remembering.